I'm doing today, I'm gonna do landing my plane on an aircraft carrier. We're gonna do 3 planes. I have successfully landed them. I got successfully landed the Lancaster, the Shackleton, and the Lincoln. Starting with the Lancaster, I'm gonna work our way up. And then we're gonna start landing a different country, get their heavy bombers, and try and land them on an aircraft carrier. This is gonna be fun. Alright, we're gonna try the Lancaster today. Starting with the Lancaster. We first got to get off this high air spawn. This one will be pretty easy. Come on, lose the altitude. Keep the speed at what it's at, but lose the speed. Let me see, where's this bomb even gonna land if I dropped it right now? You know what? Let's be generous. Drop a big bomb on people. Fun. We're gonna watch this actually go. We're gonna watch it happen in real lifetime footage. Actually, my plane might crash by then, so no, can't do that. High speed, retract flaps. Okay, raise the flaps, turn the plane, put the gear up. Oh crap! There comes my teammates. They're coming around. Oh no! I'm amazed I didn't get an accidental team kill. Whoa! I don't remember the wings rip speed. So we're not gonna risk it. I've been too used to playing the Shackleton. I don't remember what the rip speed of this plane is. So we're just not gonna risk it, you know? We're gonna go down, and then we're gonna pull straight up, straight up. Watch, like this. Reduce speed, reduce speed. I did reduce speed. We're good. We're gonna try to stop this thing. Hello, plane, can we please stop? Oh, shoot, we're not gonna stop in time. We're not stopping in time. No, we're not. Wait, actually, I have a perfect idea. Yeah, we do. Never mind. Definitely coming in way too fast. Nope, definitely not. Oh, shoot. Hey. Parking. We have just done parking. Oh, man. All right, I failed at the Lancaster. We're gonna try again because I don't like its height. I don't like where it just spawns so high. Whatever. It's fine. We'll try this again. Drop the bomb, Larry. Larry. Oh. Look what you made me do, boom boom. Come on, let's turn this plane around. Turn this plane around. Yep, upside down. Perfect. I think because we have like no speed at all, we can do landing gear down, flaps landing, gear up. Make the plane keep its speed really low now. Not retracting flaps, it's going to slow down my plane. See, perfect. Drop the bomb, please. Okay, good. Now, This plane feels really hard to control since it's so slow. But it's fine. We're gonna land it this time. This time, it's always second time's the charm in my rule book. Okay, we're gonna do a turn so I can actually keep the flaps. Okay, combat flaps, I guess. Slow us down. Anything can help at this point. I'm just not gonna get too close to that plane. Or not the plane, the landing strip. I'm gonna have to do a complete stop. Gear down, flaps landing. We're gonna stop this plane, please. Come on. Keep the speed. Keep the speed low. We're gonna try and keep it low so that we can be at the aircraft carrier. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, we're gonna lose. Can we lose some altitude, please? Plane. Okay, we're gonna just do this real quickly. Retract the flaps, please. The flaps need to go up all the way. Okay, we're gonna stop this plane. Turn the plane over a bit. How are we not slowing down? I have the plane at a good angle. Here we go. We're going in a little hot, little hot. It doesn't matter. Stop the engines. Actually, stop them. Please. Stop the plane. Stop the plane. Hey! Landing. Oh, we got ran over. Okay. How about we try the Lincoln? We'll come back to the Lancaster. Hey, these flaps have higher rip speed for landing. Let's go. These engines. These engines don't just turn off unlike the Lancasters. A little depressing. Ooh, this plane's landing flaps are really good, and it's really good at losing speed. That's really nice. Really fancy. Touche. I'm gonna keep this plane at a low speed, please, so that the wings don't rip. I said so the wings don't rip. Come on, keep losing the altitude, please. Okay, I mean, if we're slow, we can't lose speed. Fair point, fair point, fair point. Touche. Okay, we're gonna do something that I probably don't want to risk, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Go down, not up. Down, not up. Gang, I said down, not up. Okay, thank you. This plane hates falling out the sky for some reason. Gear down, flaps landing, please. Can we keep this plane from going too fast? Oh shoot, we're gonna get cooked by the speed. Never mind, these wings are built. This plane's built a little different. Come on, let's just stay sideways. So we keep our speed really low. Okay, let's keep the speed low. Keep the speed low. Drop the bomb. Okay, keep the speed low. Keep the speed low. So we're gonna keep these bad boys on. No, the plane's starting to turn. Or not the plane, the boat. Oh, I'm a dummy today. Come on, I gotta get low first. Combat flaps to slow us down. Oh shoot. No, 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 no. Why did I do that? No. Full throttle it, full throttle it. Ascend it, ascend it, ascend it. We still got this, we still got this. Trust me, we still got this. For some reason, I'm still gonna be able to land this. Trust me. I'm gonna land it, I'm gonna land it. Oh shoot, we're not gonna stall yet. We're not gonna stall. Successful landing? I did it! First try! First try! First try! With the Lincoln! First try! Woo! And we can be anti-air support. Let's go! We did it! Yeah, that's landing number 1. Why isn't opening my bomb bay an option? I love shooting the runway. So I love the Lincoln and the Shackleton, but not the Lancaster. Got it. Okay. We're gonna lead the plane. Woo! That's a good achievement, though. Whoa. Should we try the Lancaster again? No, we're gonna go to Shackleton. I'm gonna go to Shackleton. We gotta try for the bigger one. Okay. We're gonna try the strategy like we did last time. You know, have flaps landing. As long as we keep the flaps landing from a high altitude, we'll be fine. And we just keep holding the plane sideways like this, so it keeps the speed low. Remember, the aircraft carrier is turning, so we gotta try and go from a different approach to angle. Oh shoot, pull up, pull up, pull up. Oh, and there goes the flap. Oh, we lost all rights to our flaps, so we better be ready to stop. You know what? We can go as fast down as we want. We just gotta be able to pull up. Great idea. Before we rip ourselves. Watch, we're gonna rip our wings. Okay, we're gonna slow it down. Just let the plane glide now. Let the plane glide while losing speed. Because I don't have any ways to stop myself now. Turn sideways, maybe? Okay, sideways isn't really working like it did with the Lincoln. Although, I gotta get really low just so I'm already at the altitude. Perfect idea. Actually, you know what? Come on. Yeah, we'll be fine if we stay like we are now. We're not really gaining speed, and then we can slowly just ease into it, you know? Good idea. Watch this. I'm gonna try it. We have to turn, though. We have to be, like, on center with the aircraft carrier, because we don't got much room for improvement here. Okay. Do we start turning yet? No. Actually, yeah, we're gonna turn this way, so we're just ahead of the game a bit. Yep, and then turn into it, turn into it. Alright, alright, alright. Come on, gotta lose some altitude still. We still got altitude to lose. Come on, it's still turning? I think it's still turning. Oh my gosh, it's turning. So we're gonna be waiting, we're gonna have to wait for it to turn, or I'm gonna be cooked. Okay, we're gonna turn with it then. Gonna try and do that. Yep, we still gotta lose altitude too. I'm not gonna risk it if I'm going too fast, so I'm gonna do a quick turn on engines real quickly, and fly this way for a second. No! My team's about to lose! Crap, I gotta get this quickly. My AI teammates. Great. So how am I supposed to lose speed? You know, we'll figure it out as we go. AI ship is still turning. We did it! We did it! First try with the Shackleton! First try with the Shackleton. Man, I'm great at this. Woo! Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Okay, I'll be back to do the Lancaster. And we're back. We're going to try and do the Lancaster landing now. I did the Shackleton and the Lincoln first try, but if I can't do the Lancaster, I'm going to be a little mad. Because Lancaster's the most iconic. So, let's see. What do we got? Okay, we're gonna do the tactic again. We have the flaps landing, and we just do this. Don't let them rip like they done the Shackleton, because that was a little scary. So if that's directly over there, we're gonna just let the plane go down on its own. Gotta give it a minute. Oh shoot! High speed retract flaps, man. Okay, turn the plane. See, you drop the engine, the plane instantly stops turning the propellers, showing it's a slower plane. And then we're gonna dive. Actually, you know what? If you dive down really fast, it doesn't matter what happens to your plane, as long as you can get it to pull up. Because we're gonna have to have a lot of speed to go into the runway. Okay, turn on the engine, full throttle. We're gonna full throttle straight down. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Boom. We just need the speed. We need the speed A and B. It gets us down quicker. Oh shoot! Come on, come on, Lancaster. God, we got this. We got this, Lancaster. Oh, we're getting there. Actually, we're doing really good this time. Struggled with it originally, but I think I got the hang of it when I did the Lincoln and the Shackleton.
Have you eaten today?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Do you have laundry in your room that needs to be put away?
I don't think so.
Oh shoot, we're coming in a little fast. Yeah, I'm gonna do a flyby real quickly. That's not good. That's not good. We can't be going that fast. That close to the thing. To the aircraft carrier. So we're gonna do a turnaround. Yep, just to lose some speed. Hey, actually, that lost some great amount of speed. Great amount of speed. Oh. Alright, we're going at perfect speeds. This is perfect speeds for normal landing. Gear down, flaps landing, slow down the plane even more, actually. Come on, keep the plane slow. Keep slowing down the plane. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. We have to be ready to touch down, like, instantly. So, actually, we might be a little high. Yo! I did it! First try this time. So, 4 try for the Lancaster, 1 for the Shackleton, and 1 for the Lincoln. Man, we did it! I am getting good at this. Comment down below what plane you want me to land in the aircraft carrier next. No jets, please. Thank you. And this is GamerKid1985. See you in the next one.